After the game is developed, everyone is most concerned about how to release the game. Games developed using other tools. Usually you need to buy a server or publish the game through other channels and use our engine editor. You can publish to our game platform with one click. And our gaming platform Blockman Go have millions of DAOs worldwide. This ensures everyone's game. It has a player base. In addition, since Blockman goes above and beyond, mainly for overseas markets. Most overseas markets do not have a copyright policy. So publish the game on our platform. There is no need to apply for a separate version number. This also greatly reduces the threshold for publishing games. This lesson, I will teach you how to package and publish the game. The content of our lesson is relatively simple in terms of two aspects. One is how to publish the game. The other one is how to install the emulator. Test with emulator. First of all, let's take a look at the game launch. In the editor, click on the File menu. Then click the Publish Game submenu. If it pops up, do you want to save it? It's because of the modification. But without, press Ctrl+S to save. Here we go. Enter the game name in the pop-up dialog box. The name of the game is best to let people know what type of game it is at a glance. The game entrance is the main scene entered after the game is started. If there are multiple scenarios, select the scene that needs to be loaded when the game is entered. If there is a module for related network services in the game, check the box to set. The version description should be as concise and clear as possible. I don't know how to write it. You can refer to the descriptions of other games of the same type that have been released. After filling it out, click to upload. The game will be automatically packaged and uploaded to our server. After successful upload, a prompt box will pop up. At this time, you need to go to the Creator Center to improve the game data and review. Click on the lower left corner of the dialog box. The Creator Center will automatically open the web page. Then fill in the relevant information according to the prompts. But You need to prepare game icon pictures in advance. The game introduction picture. Game introduction pictures can use game screen screenshots. Then wait for the background review. When approved, it means it has been approved. Click to view details. Go to Details Preview. Click to release. If it is published to the test server, ask the test supervisor to get the package of the relevant APK. Published to the production server. You can test it by installing an emulator directly. Now let's install the emulator. Everyone can search and download the emulator and install it by themselves. Run the emulator after installation. What we're demonstrating here is a testing suite from the test supervisor. This testing suite is our Blockman Go. It contains games that everyone publishes to the testing environment. Drag the testing suite to the main emulator interface. The APK file will be installed into the emulator. It is equivalent to installing software in the Android environment. After installation, double-click Blockman Go. It's like running a game on your phone. If released to the production environment, double-click Blockman Go directly. After entering, click on All Games to find it. Or click on the home page. All Games. You can find the latest online games when you are newly launched. Or search directly by game name. You can also find Click the bottom button to start the game. Then it can be like on a mobile phone. Test the game. Alright. In this lesson, we gave you a brief explanation how to publish a game and use the emulator for testing. After class, everyone will experience it for themselves. If you have any questions, please communicate with us.